These 20 rules of money serve as a practical guide to managing and building wealth, focusing on the principles of saving, investing, and smart spending. They emphasize the importance of setting financial priorities, such as paying yourself first, living below your means, and avoiding high-interest debt, while also recommending ways to grow wealth, including investing early, diversifying assets, and creating multiple income streams. They underscore the power of compound interest, the necessity of a financial safety net, and the value of financial education. The rules also address the behavioral side of finance, encouraging self-discipline, delayed gratification, and avoiding impulsive spending. Protecting wealth through insurance, maintaining a good credit score, and reviewing and adjusting financial goals regularly add layers of security and adaptability. Finally, they promote giving back as a way to create positive impact and fulfillment. These guidelines are timeless yet adaptable, helping anyone from beginners to seasoned investors navigate financial decisions more effectively for long-term financial security and freedom. Here are 20 fundamental rules of money that provide a guide to building and managing wealth. While everyone's financial journey is unique, these principles apply widely to achieving financial stability and growth. Number 1, pay yourself first. Always save a portion of your income, ideally 10 to 20%, before spending on other expenses. This helps you prioritize wealth building. Number 2, live below your means. Spend less than you earn to avoid debt and to allow room for savings and investments. Number 3, invest early and often. The power of compounding favors those who start early. Invest consistently over time for growth. Number 4, avoid bad debt for depreciating items, like cars, luxury goods, is generally bad debt. Focus on paying it off quickly. Number 5, have an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an easily accessible account to cover unexpected costs. Number 6, diversify your investments. Spread investments across different asset types, stocks, bonds, real estate, to manage risk. Number 7, educate yourself about money. Invest time in learning about personal finance, investments, taxes, and wealth building strategies. Number 8, understand the power of compound interest. Compounding allows your money to grow faster over time. Avoid pulling out funds and let investments accumulate. Number 9, limit impulsive spending. Avoid spontaneous purchases by creating a budget and tracking your spending to stay on track. Number 10, create multiple income streams. Diversify your income through side hustles, passive income, or investments to create financial security. Number 11, focus on assets, not liabilities. Assets grow in value or generate income. Prioritize acquiring them over liabilities that drain money. Number 12, set financial goals. Have clear financial goals with specific amounts and deadlines and create a plan to achieve them. Number 13, automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts to build wealth effortlessly. Number 14, protect your wealth. Use insurance and diversification to minimize risks. Health, property, and life insurance are essential for stability. Number 15, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Build wealth steadily and avoid high-risk gambles. Number 16, learn to delay gratification. Practice patience with your money decisions. Waiting often results in better choices and fewer regrets. Number 17, keep a good credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better interest rates on loans and other financial opportunities. Number 18, review and adjust regularly. Financial goals and strategies may change as you progress. Review and adjust as needed. Number 19, plan for retirement. Early starting retirement savings early gives your investments more time to grow, allowing for a more comfortable retirement. Number 20, give back. Supporting causes that matter to you adds fulfillment and creates positive impacts beyond yourself. Mastering these rules can help you avoid common pitfalls and build a solid foundation for long-term financial success.